Traffic situations can easily become complex, especially in bigger cities. Here, the crosswalk alert helps. It looks after the most vulnerable, the pedestrians. As the GLA approaches a crosswalk, it detects the crosswalk and also checks if somebody's crossing or intending to cross the road. If so, the system clearly draws the driver's attention to the situation via standard or heads-up display. And the pedestrian can safely reach the highway on a nice sunny day. The street is not too crowded. You're getting to a curve in the road and have limited sight. And maybe you're just a little bit distracted by a chit-chat with your passengers. The new GLA has you covered. If needed, it will preventively slow down to about 100 kilometers per hour. As part of the driving assistance package, it uses live traffic information and will know if you're coming to the end of a traffic jam before you can even see it. Approaching a car wash, MBUX fully prepares your GLA at the push of just one button. It closes the sunroof and windows, it starts the air recirculation, switches on the front camera, folds the rear view mirrors, and deactivates all relevant sensors for parking distance or rain. For the driver, that means you can just sit back and relax. That's one example of the level of convenience we offer our customers, even in this entry-level compact segment.